Buccaneers, we are at Stanton Central Park, and today we are going to test out our Yoleo Sporting Scooters. This is a beautiful 11.5-acre parkland with amenities including a skate park, baseball fields, tennis and basketball courts, exercise machines, and playgrounds. There's even an interactive water play area that's open in the summer. Brother and I are racing around the park. Whoa, stop! He almost ran over a roly-poly. Brother and I are going to go down this little hill. There's a steeper hill that we're gonna go down. Let's go. And now my dad's going to ride the scooter super smooth ride. This is a Yoleo scooter for adults. The three of us are going to scoot around the park. Now we're going to play at Stanton Express. Brother loves this playground because it looks like a giant train. Choo choo! I'm going down the slide. Brother, hold on tight so you don't fall. Now I'm climbing on the obstacle course. Lastly, we're going to ride the swing. We had so much fun scootering at Stanton Central Park. The Yoleo Sporting Scooter was very fun to ride, especially going down hills. The scooter is very safe to ride. It has 3 wheels. You can, if you want to go left, you just lean to the left, go right, lean to the right. It's really easy to control. This scooter goes very fast. You can purchase your own Yoleo Sporting Scooter at the link in the description. Hello Buccaneers, today we're going to unbox the Yoleo Sporting Scooter. So here's the seat. And this is like the wheels and where you stand on. And here's the handlebar. We assembled the scooter, and it looks like the height's adjustable, and you can take the seat on and off, so it's good for all ages. And I can fit my head through it. And the wheels can light up. Let's go faster. I'm tired. Now we're going to unbox Scooter Super Smooth Ride, and this one's meant for adults. Here we go. There's an extension. I know where. Okay, there is. And there's a heavy scooter. What? It's heavy. Click to watch more videos and remember to look for your own adventure. Hi. Hello.
Wait, where's your head?
Hi. I can't pop my head out.